All right, hi everybody. So we get a lot of people asking us about used trucks out there, so we've kind of accumulated a couple here. This is the first one we've ran it through the shop. We're putting it up for sale today. 2018 Cascadia. We went through the whole truck, put a number 6 fuel injector in it, engine injector. We went through the one box, put a new EGR cooler on it, put a new set of Michelin drives on the rear. Bridgestones on the front, on the steer, they're probably 75–80% still, nice tires. What else have we done to this? We did install our lithium powered electric AC APU unit, and that's with the new lithium starting batteries. I already had a espar installed previously factory, and also a 12-volt inverter. It does have a spot inside for a refrigerator, doesn't have a refrigerator in it right now. And also we did put new brakes and drums, brand new, 0 miles on the steer axle as well. So pretty clean truck. Should do a walk around with the video here and show the outside of it. I don't think there's any damage on the exterior to speak of. Real clean frame. Yeah, so really clean truck. Like I said, really no rust or anything to speak of. Corrosion on the frame. Engine's pretty clean for the most part. And like I said, we just put a new EGR cooler and a new 7th injector as well. So quite a bit of work went into it. Like I said, new Michelins on the rear, sliding 5th wheel, and again, like I said, a really clean frame. New mud flap hangers and mud flaps. So we had the interior detailed out pretty nice, and it looks excellent. Haven't done the outside yet, so I mean that might be something we try to get done here before it leaves the property. Yeah, so R213s here on the front. And with that, we'll go ahead and take a look inside. Our telematics system is in here right now. That won't be going with the truck. If that's something you're interested in, we have that product. We haven't put out a video on that yet. Pretty cool system where we can do a lot of remote diagnostics up to, and I guess even more, forced regions, SCR test from basically any computer. And where if you're in California, call me up. I could go ahead and do a forced region for you from my office here in Canton, Ohio. So we had one of our, there's the business down the street who does detailing. I don't even like walking around in here. He did such a good job. I mean, it's beautiful. So got everything. The seats look almost new. I mean, did a really good job on the interior detail. So it does have a spot for your refrigerator. Has a 120-volt outlet back there, one here. New mattress in it. And here is our AC system that we installed. And again, you have the espar unit and the 12-volt inverter that is factory hardwired to everything in here. So pretty nice setup for an owner-operator. Also, we are going to package this truck with a 12-month, 100,000-mile NTP warranty, which we sell and also service here. So with that warranty, that'll cover your engine, after-treatment, transmission, and there might be a couple add-ons on there as well if someone wants to go the extra mile, I guess. So. But yeah, real clean truck. I think I would drive it if I could stand driving the highways these days. And you got a place for a microwave up here. And it does have your 120-volt plug, so pretty nice, pretty well equipped, so, as you would say. We just ran a vehicle report on this truck VIN number. Retail on it is like 73.2 with everything that's been put into it. It's 494,300, so a little, almost 500K, or sorry, 495K on it. So relatively low miles for a 2018. Like I said, retail price on it was $73,200. With the NTP warranty, the 12-month 100,000, we were going to price it at $69,900. So if you have any interest, contact us through phone, email, or through the website. So that's all I got for today. Stay tuned for more. We got 2 more trucks I think we got to go through, and they'll be on the market as well. An older, a 10-speed Freightliner, and then we have a Volvo as well. So stay tuned for those, and check out our other videos and other products as well.